this is Annie, and this video is a request from friends and family members that, as myself, are learning Slovene. I've been living 2 years in this beautiful country, and I know that it's hard to learn it since it has not a lot of similarities to Latin languages like Spanish and to West Germanic language such as English. First of all, I have a big recommendation before we keep going, and is this book. If you speak English as second or first language, this book will help you a lot to learn Slovene because it has also translations. It's called ep.1. It has a CD with audio, so you also practice not only the grammar, but you also practice the listening. So it's amazing. And thank you, Petra Halalepa. She's the one who recommended this book to me, and it's been stuck with me since I got it. Thank you. Okay, now let's start our first lesson with the alphabet, or in Slovene, abeceda. Slovene has 3 new letters in the alphabet that are not in the English alphabet, and you'll see ahead. A, auto. B, banca. T, center. Ch, chocolada. D, document. E, euro. F, film. G, garaża. H, hotel. I, informacja. J, jogurt. K, kawa. L, limona. M, movitel. N, nebo. O, okno. P, profesor. R, restauracja. S, sadje. Š, študent. T, telefon. U, učitelj. V, vino. C, cajtrk. Ž, žival. Now it's time for the numbers, or številke. Nič. Ena. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So after we are on the number 20, or 20, it follows the same pattern for the rest. For example, I want to say 21, 22, 23. It will follow the same pattern even with other numbers such as 30, 40, and 50. So, let's go. Ena in 20. 2 in 20. 3 in 20. So you see you have first the last number, and then you have the full number, which in this case is 20. So you have 1 and 20, 2 and 20, and 3 and 20, and that's how it goes. Slovene numbers go from backwards to forward. Okay, now let's start with the days of the week, or the dnevi v tednu. Ponedeljek, torek, sreda, četrtek, petek, Sobota, nedelja. And now let's continue with the months or meseci. Januar, februar, marec, april, maj, juni, juli, august, september, oktober, november, December. The Slovene language has 6 cases or 6 skloni. Each of them have their own use. But since we're starting, we're gonna focus on the first one, on only the first case. So the Slovene language have 3 genders. Has male, moški, it has female, ženski, and neutral, srednji. And we have 3 grammar groups. We have singular, ednina, we have dual, dvojina, and we have plural, množina. Okay, something that I enjoy very much about Slovene language is it has 3 time tenses. It only has present, sedanjik, past, preteklik, future, prihodnik. And since we're on the basic, we're gonna just focus on present. Slovene has also formal and informal. For informalities, you use T, and to be very formal, you use V. Now we're going to continue with the basic verb, which is to be or biti. Since we already mentioned that we have singulars, duals, and plurals, now we're going to mention them in Slovene. Ja sem, ti si, on je, ona je, midva sva, vidva sta, oni dva sta, mi smo, vi ste, oni so. And that's all for the first lesson. If you liked it, press like. If you would like to know more about our next lessons, subscribe and comment if you have any question. I'm gonna be posting in the information below some homework that you guys can follow according to each lesson and practice at home for your Slovene. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a great day. Adio, ciao. Okay, before we continue, okay, it has masculine, tiene na zdravje. Okay. Juli, Augusto. Ay, coño. Ay, que Augusto, ¿verdad? Sorry. O Devni utetnu. What the hell did I say?